This is my Fitbit Charge 6, and this is the charger for it. And I had an interesting problem. The charger has little pogo pins on it that connect to these little pads on the back of the Fitbit, and that's how it charges, a magnetic thing. And I had it next to the sink in my bathroom. That was where the outlet was, and it got wet. And electrolysis just ate the pogo pins up. So I bought a new one. They're pretty cheap, fortunately. You can see that they've got, you know, the pogo pins that stick out there. And I wanted to just kind of check and see, you know, if there's any guts to this at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of, yeah, it's a pretty stout. So yeah, as I expected, it's pretty much just, you know, a set of magnets and the two power cables from the USB charger. So a normal USB charger, I think, is gonna typically have 5 volts. There's no danger, of course, with it, and 100 milliamps. But again, it was enough to really kind of wipe out, especially the positive terminal, I guess, on this one. So that's that.